Santa's got a twinkle in his eye. Reindeer zooming through the frosty sky. Gifts are piling up so high. Oh, spin the wheel, it's Christmas cheer. Jingle jackpot drawing near. Buy a gift and make it bright. You're lucky, star shines tonight. Woo!
Hi my lovely friends, welcome to Creative Art. I am Nilima, and in today's tutorial we are going to make these beautiful Christmas hand-painted stockings. So these are the pre-marked stockings from Itsy Bitsy that we are going to paint in this tutorial. So friends, do watch the complete tutorial to make these beautiful hand-painted stockings for this Christmas decoration, and do subscribe to my channel friends for more creative art tutorials, and do press the bell icon so you don't miss any update on a new tutorial. Christmas is on the brink and we are excited to decorate our homes, and for that I have got 3 different designs of handmade stockings with Christmas print from Little Birdie. Each pack comes with a handmade stockings printed with Christmas theme, a paintbrush and set of colors. First, I'll start by using red color. In the same way, I have colored the other 2 socks as red. This is how this one looks, and this is how this one looks. I'm going to color the bottom as red as well. Now let's paint this one using some white color. In the same way, I have done white color in the needed places on the other socks, and this is how they look. So now let's start coloring green. Now let's color the reindeer as brown. Now let's fill up some color in these biscuits. Here I have mixed a little bit of white with the brown, which is burnt sienna, and we'll get a biscuit color just like this. I'm using bronze color for the bells. Using gold, I'm going to give just a little bit of gold tint to the entire socks painting. And now finally friends, this is how beautiful our Christmas stockings have turned out. I absolutely love the detailing that we have painted, and because of the pre-marked designs, it was really easy and fun to do with my kid. So friends, do give it a try, make it yourself, and do tell me in the comments below what do you think about this tutorial. And if you do like my tutorials friends, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas. Bye.